Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to delete Replika account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Replika app. And then after, over here you can see at the top right corner settings icon, tap on it. There you can see the option of account, tap on it. There you can see the option of delete account, tap on it. Then they'll ask you for confirmation if you are sure that you want to delete because you're bored with the Replika app. Then you can surely tap on continue. If you're concerned about privacy or information, if you are even concerned about your privacy, then they have mentioned some of their policies. You can go tap on this page and then read it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.